Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page. We can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect for your garage, maybe a utility room or an office, and that is because it is a nice metal storage cabinet. So this was sent over by a company called Fesbos, and as you can see, it's here right next to me. It's got this nice white powder-coated, very clean, well-assembled metal cabinet. As far as assembly, it's gonna take somewhere between 30 minutes to an hour to fully put together. The instructions are very easy to follow when going through them. They're all very labeled, all the parts and pieces, so you can easily follow it. It comes with all the hardware, including a screwdriver to put it together, so you don't need any other extra parts or any extra tools or anything like that. They also do include two types of anchors, so if you do have little ones and you're worried about this tipping over, you are set up because they do include two types of anchors to mount it to the wall. There's some holes in the back, so you'll mount it from the inside, which also makes it nice and secure if you're worried about somebody trying to steal this. But if you don't need that, it's kind of up to you as optional. It is a nice safety feature as well. Now, another thing you will notice that it does come with a pair of keys because this cabinet does lock for keeping your stuff nice and safe. And it's kind of cool little thing here. In the lock, there is a little color-coded icon as well. So it'll be green when it's unlocked and it'll be red when it is locked. And then you have your simple metal handles that are just, once again, very easy to utilize. Now, to give you an idea of the size of the cabinet itself, it is about 31.5 inches wide. It is about 35.5 inches tall and about 15.75 inches in depth. It does sit off the ground a little bit over 3.25 inches in height. So anything you're putting on those bottom shelves is not sitting directly on the floor surface. It does have a little lift off the ground, which I also find very, very nice. And the whole material, like I said, is made out of a powder-coated metal, so you don't have to worry about kind of rust, and it's gonna hold up well to basically the elements within your garage if that is where you are storing it, which is another nice thing. No issues with oil canning. It is all very smooth. As you can see, the doors here, everything has a nice tight fit. There's no wonkiness or anything like that when I put it together, and it goes together very, very nicely. Now, one of the nice things, you can see the doors are gonna have magnets at the top and the bottom, so they have a nice little secure when it comes to closing them. They stay nice and closed, so you don't have to worry about them falling open or anything like that. And it's gonna include two adjustable shelves. So you can position this however you want, if you have small things or tall things, or how I have it right now is kind of equally spaced, but you can easily adjust the shelves. The shelves themselves can hold each about 180 pounds max. So they are nice heavy duty shelves. They have a nice heavy duty brackets on them. But overall, it's a very, very clean whole assembly. It's a very clean shelf. It looks really, really nice. Very easy to use, very easy to lock and secure. So if you are into the market and you're looking for a great metal storage cabinet, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.